Mm. Who's coming out in that? Hello. Hi, Mama. Hello. Can you say hi? Hi. Do you like your new snow pants that Mommy picked out that are fantastic?
Yeah, you like your snow pants? They feel cushy? You could fall down and not get hurt in those. Can you walk?
Yeah, walking's not so important.
Okay, let's put your coat back on. I'm gonna go outside and play. Yeah. Let me hold this for 1 second, okay?
Okay, you're like a Stay Puft Marshmallow Man if she was a cheetah. Hey, that's a snazzy looking outfit.